In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete named ranges. If you are working in Google Sheets, named ranges can be really helpful for organizing data and making formulas easier to read. But over time, you may end up with named ranges you no longer need, and removing them can help keep your spreadsheet clean and easier to manage. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to delete a named range step by step. To begin, open the spreadsheet where your named range is stored. Once you are inside the sheet, go to the top menu and click on Data. This menu contains several tools related to organizing and managing the information in your spreadsheet, including the option we need for named ranges. After clicking Data, select Named Ranges from the drop-down menu. As soon as you do that, a panel will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel displays all of the named ranges that currently exist in your spreadsheet. If you have several named ranges, take a moment to look through the list carefully so you can identify the exact one you want to remove. This is especially useful if some of the names are similar. Once you've found the named range you want to delete, move your mouse over it. When you hover over the range, click the pencil icon, which is the Edit button. This opens the controls for that specific named range so you can make changes to it. Now, look to the right side of the named range's name. You'll see a trash can icon labeled Delete Range. Click that trash can icon to begin deleting the named range. This tells Google Sheets that you want to remove that saved range name from the spreadsheet. A confirmation prompt will then appear. Click Remove to confirm the deletion. After you do that, the named range will be deleted from your spreadsheet. One quick tip to keep in mind is that deleting a named range removes the name itself, so if it was being used in formulas, those formulas may no longer work as expected. It's a good idea to double-check before removing anything important, especially in shared or frequently updated spreadsheets. And that's all it takes to delete a named range in Google Sheets. It's a simple process, but knowing where to find the setting makes it much faster and easier. Thanks for watching.